Hey guys, so today we'll be talking about tangent lines. So let's start off by looking at this graph that I've drawn right here. So let's say I asked to find the slope of this curve at, let's say, this point. How would we find that? So in calculus, we like to use something called a tangent line. And you might have learned about this before, but a tangent line is basically a line that touches a curve at one point and doesn't cross over anywhere else, and it would look something like this. So it only touches the curve at one point. And in calculus, we like to use tangent lines because they tell us a lot about slopes. Because the slope of the tangent line is equal to the slope of the curve, the differential curve at this one point. And as you can see, this curve is represented by f of x, and on the other hand, the tangent line would be represented by an equation, and the slope of the equation would be equal to f prime of the point at whatever point this is. So, and today we're going to be learning how to write and find the equations of tangent lines. And as you can see, it's a line, so it's linear. And you would usually write your linear equations like y equals mx plus b. But it's a lot easier to use point-slope form, which is y minus y1 equals the slope times x minus x1. And it's a lot easier to use point-slope form because when we have problems, we're usually given a point, and we will use the point and the equation and the original function to find our slope, and we will only have those two things, so it's a lot easier to use point-slope form. So that's like how you find a tangent line equation. So let's do an example to test it out. So let's read this example. Okay, given that f of negative 2 is 3 and f prime of negative 2 is negative 4, find an equation for the tangent line to the graph of y equals f of x at x equals negative 2. So let's just write down what we know. We know that f of negative 2 equals 3, and this is a point basically, so you can just go ahead and write that to make it clear. And we're also given f prime of negative 2 equals negative 4, and we're looking for our tangent line equation at x equals negative 2. So where the tangent line hits this whatever function this is at the point x equals negative 2. So we're looking for that tangent line. So how do we find our tangent line with only this information? So let's just write our point-slope form and take a look at it really quickly. So y minus y1 equals the slope times x minus x1. And so let's see. Our m is the slope, and a slope of a line is usually represented by the derivative, which is represented by f prime. And as you can see, we're already given f prime of negative 2 is negative 4. So doesn't that mean we already have our slope? Yep. So we basically already have our slope. So m equals negative 4. So we're already given that. But wait, there's more. As you can see, we already have a point 2. So we have a point negative 2, 3. Doesn't that mean we can make our equation with point-slope form because we have a point and we have our slope? Yeah, we just gotta plug and chug. So let's plug in. So y minus our y value of the point, which is 3, equals the slope, which is negative 4, times x minus the x value of our point, which is negative 2, and that will be plus 2. So yeah, that's our tangent line equation in point-slope form. It's pretty simple and it's very straightforward. So you can also simplify this into the y equals mx plus b form. I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. So negative 4x, negative 4 times 2 is negative 8, plus a 3, which is -5. And yeah, there you have it. That is our tangent line equation at -2. So yeah, it's pretty simple, and that's basically it. I'll be posting another video with another example, has another step to it. But other than that, tangent line equations are pretty simple to find, and I hope you learned a lot in this video. Comment, like, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.